Hello, everyone, and Happy New Year. Happy 2021. We made it. Welcome to this Season 5 premiere episode of the Higher Ed Geek Podcast. So this is just going to be a quick intro to the season. Just going to give a quick update since the end of last season and kind of set some expectations as I've been busily preparing for this new season. So just to be clear, new episodes will come out starting next week, and they are going to be back-to-back again. I have a lot of great people that have reached out to schedule something, so I want to be able to give them the space and platform here to share out what they are working on. Some great folks working across the whole landscape of higher ed and ed tech and all that good stuff. So just very excited to have those episodes coming out to you. There should be, for right now, back-to-back until about March. And then we'll see for kind of where we are at that point, because it is still my intention to post every other week. That's kind of what's best for me. But, some of this content obviously is really more immediately relevant, and I don't want it to sit on the shelf for too long. So trying to just move them down the conveyor belt, as it were, as quickly as possible. So look forward to that. Again, new episodes will begin next week, next Wednesday, January 13th. So keep an eye out for that. I appreciate everybody checking out those episodes and sharing them out as they've listened to them and find them useful. And then otherwise, we still got the merch store, a lot of great stuff. Upload a couple of new designs, going to keep putting new stuff on there as I can. But there's going to be a sale actually next week with our premiere episode of the season going. That sale will be going on from the 13th through to the 16th on our merch store. So you'll be able to get some really good deals there. And there'll be more sales throughout the year. So if you can't make that one. But so there is also going to be another new announcement very soon about further ways to be able to support the show and the blog and everything else. So keep an eye out for that. I'll make sure to announce it here on the podcast as well. And then otherwise than just personal news, it's kind of a muted holiday season, but definitely appreciated a winter break without meetings and having to record and all that, just to kind of recharge and get back to it here in the new year. And, our little one is approaching her 1-year birthday. She was born in April, so it's just wild to watch her grow and develop in real time right before our eyes. Certainly been a little bit of a silver lining during kind of quarantining at home, is just being with her each and every day, being able to interact with her. And we are looking to potentially be moving soon. So I might have a new setup. Podcast might sound a little bit different here in a few months, but I'll make sure to kind of keep you all updated on that. And we'll see how it might impact the podcast, I guess, of posting new episodes. I might have to rebroadcast some old episodes as I'm getting everything set up. But very exciting stuff. Me and my wife are been working on this for a little bit of time, and it's finally coming to fruition. So I'll make sure to share those updates again here as I have them. But 2021, looking to keep going strong with the podcast, keep trying to grow it. So again, just always appreciate everybody's support. Just shouting out episodes that you're listening to, helping to kind of signal boost the show, giving the feedback and reviews on whatever podcast player you so choose. But yeah, just very excited for the new year. Got a lot of great content coming your way. So stay tuned for that. And as always, just thank you for listening to this premiere episode, a quick episode of the Higher Ed Geek Podcast. And hopefully you all had a great and safe winter break and are ready to tackle the new year. So see you in next week's episode. It's going to be a great one, and take care.